Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Angry Birds 2 game. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on app. Then select manage apps option. Scroll down until you find Angry Birds 2 game. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Uninstall option. Tap on it. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can uninstall Angry Birds 2 game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.